Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with LoopNet for commercial listings step by step clearly. To authenticate with LoopNet for commercial listings, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.loopnet.com and press enter. Once the LoopNet homepage loads, locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the designated fields. After entering your information, click on the Login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Join Now option. You will be directed to the account creation page. Fill in the required details, such as your name, email address, and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms. Once you have completed the form, click the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email to confirm your account. Open your email inbox and locate the verification email from LoopNet. Click on the verification link provided in the email. You will be redirected back to the LoopNet website, confirming your email address. Now return to the LoopNet homepage and click the Sign In button again. Enter your newly created email address and password. After logging in, you can search for commercial listings on LoopNet. Use the search bar to input your desired criteria, such as location or property type. Filters and sorting options will help refine your search results. Explore the listings to find detailed information on each property. Make sure to save any listings of interest for easy access later. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Input the email associated with your account for password reset instructions. Follow the steps outlined in the email to create a new password. With these steps complete, you are now authenticated and ready to navigate LoopNet's commercial listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.